GM everyone and welcome back with a new episode of Investing Analysis. Starting with BTC as usual, you can see price took out the liquidations above $82,000 this morning, and I also posted the update inside my X inside the morning's investing analysis that we have some sort of massive liquidations at $82,200 which can be taken in the next few hours. And finally price took out those liquidations and we can see some sort of reversion in price. But one thing that is very interesting for me is they are still shorting the shit out of this specific recovery. We have again 3 days of consecutive negative fundings, and also we have consecutive 4 weeks of negative fundings, which is extremely bullish for me. And I still believe they are making an excuse of this yearly high open interest, and that's why they are making panic or those FOMO shots from this specific area to target new lows. But I believe they are again wrong. We are on the right side of the trade because you can see the quadrant model is inside the leveraged rally, and this open interest is from the shorts from these negative fundings that we have never experienced in the past. And also the evidence you can see on the check on chain, we still have premium to shorts which is declining again towards these lows, towards the extreme low levels from where it marked the bottom. So these all bias makes me even more confident that we are going higher. At least towards this area, we have the GLI fair value gap above current price, and also this specific daily gap, which is acting as a magnet right now. And also, price action wise, you can see price is above its November 2025 lows, and is, of course, going to retest this specific area, which is our main target for the very midterm, and that's around, of course, around the GLI fair value gap. And also the evidence you can see on the liquidation maps, we have some sort of massive liquidations which is leading towards almost 88 or $89,000. That is my bias for the very midterm, and also everything matches our bias. We have the short term traders which are continuously distributing, while the long term traders are still accumulating because they know what is coming ahead. One thing that is very concerning for me in the very short term is seeing the very unprofitable retail traders. They are still slightly bullish, which means we can see some sort of consolidation in the next few hours before it goes higher. As far for the very short term stuff is concerned, we can see some sort of mean reversion setups inside this specific area before it goes higher. If there is any dip, 80,000 would be some sort of massive support which would be holded, and you can see some sort of pullback again towards this specific area in the next few days, right? As far the bullish bias is concerned, everything looks extremely bullish for me. We have so much liquidity above current price that nothing can stop it from going higher. But also if it drops towards 80,000 or even $81,000, these two are the areas. Of course 80,600 also, which was a massive support spot demand from yesterday. You can see some sort of mean reversion setups in this specific area before it goes higher and finally takes out the liquidity from this specific area, right? So still I am allocated inside my portfolio and expecting higher targets in the very midterm. And of course some of the altcoins are also I'm monitoring because they are showing absolute strength. Something like Solana that we discussed inside yesterday's investing analysis, the Sol ETH ratio was something around this specific area, and Solana was below its point of interest, where I told you it can go higher because the Sol ETH ratio is showing absolute strength. And right now you can see Solana is trading below its value area high. So keep eyes on it because if it closes above its value area high and shows momentum on lower time frames, this can easily get up towards this specific high $100 area, right? So still monitoring it, and I will allocate into Solana also if it breaks and holds above its value area high. As far Ethereum is concerned, nothing changed in our bias. I still believe I am anticipating that we are going to start our allocation into altcoins very soon because ETH BTC ratio can grind up higher from this specific area again. So that will be a positive sign for ETH because it was accumulating massively inside this specific area and still inside long trade, which stops at break even, expecting it to go run higher towards 2650 in the very midterm, right? As far other stuffs are concerned, we also have Dogecoin, and we were allocated inside Doge from this specific area inside our portfolio. And still, you can see we have the liquidity above current price almost towards 0.11898. That could be our my very first target. So we'll be watching out its reaction at this specific daily gap, because if it closes inside it, this can easily run up back towards 0.125. So monitoring its reaction also and anticipating that we will be allocated into altcoins very, very soon. But also one thing that is concerning for me before allocating into alts is this specific BTC dominance. In case if it closes below its key SNR level, that would be a confirmation for me. So we'll be monitoring it also. As far for the very short term again is concerned, do not panic sell your fucking BTC by following those retail gurus who trade without systematic and objective rules. You can see some sort of mean reversion setups between 80,500 or 80,600 and between current price action before it goes higher and takes out the liquidity from this specific gap, 84,000 or $85,000, right? So I guess that is enough for today. Make sure to manage your trades with proper risk management and through proper systematic approach. Thanks for watching.